Today we're going to be doing the blue light test with the Sleep ZM reading blue light glasses to see if this product really works. So this is the blue light test that comes in the box, and what we're going to do is we're going to shine the blue light on this little piece of paper here, and as you can see there's a little bit of purple, that residue that comes onto this blue light test area. So now we're going to shine through the Sleep ZM glasses, and because it protects from blue light, we should not see any radiation going into this blue light test area. I think this is a really cool test that comes with the kit, and I'm excited to see the results. So also just in general, these are the glasses themselves. This is the box that it comes in. It does come with a little bag and a little cloth in here, as well as this blue light test area kit. I was sent this product from the company, but still going to be giving you the honest review, the honest thoughts, and the completion of this test. So you could see that little purple radiation went away, and now we're going to be shining the blue light through the glasses again, and we will see if the purple comes up this time. So the glasses should be blocking the blue light right now, preventing any radiation from going through into that blue light test area. You can see I'm shining it through the glasses. I'm actually holding it down even longer than I did last time. So let's see. Nothing there. It's very impressive. It's very cool. I love that reassurance that they have in the pack that the product actually works. These are also work as prescription glasses as well. So I have the 1.0 magnitude. Depending on your reading glasses prescription, you'll get a different one. And yeah, very cool product. Very cool results from the blue light test. Thank you again to the company for sending us this product to test. That's what you're going to get.